Hello everyone, long time no see. So I finally feel better today. I still have a little bit of cough and sniffle, but I feel a lot better. Anyway, me and my mom are here at the car dealer because we just want to fix the minor damage of our van. We want to change it's called oil seal. We start doing it now. He said it could take like 2 or more hours. 2 hours or more to fix it because they have to take the motor out. We'll see. So beside of the oil seal change, whatever you call it, they're also gonna do some adjustment to it's called the gear box. I don't know what gear box is. And also I want them to adjust the steering wheel because it's not straight. I'm gonna find out how much that costs to do all of those fixing. We'll see. The reason that I wanna fix the gear box, they call it a gear box, but I really don't know about it, because every time I turn the steering wheel all the way, it makes a sound like click. And they said that to fix the click, they're gonna adjust it inside of the gear box. I hope it's not a lot. It's not. It doesn't cost a lot. We're gonna find out later. It just caught my eyes, this kind of vegetable. It's very long. They said that it's a patula vegetable. So, oo, madyaong baliin dito tagkuan.
Tanggalon ng belt, ma'am, kay para mataunan og oil seal.
Tangtangon balit tanan ini? Ano ba?
Belt ra, ma'am.
Ang belt try tangtangon. So I just asked them what they're doing. They said they're gonna take off the belt so they can change the oil. I really thought like when they're gonna take off the motor, I thought like gonna take the whole motor out, but no, I guess not. You see just the belt. We finally got it out. That's the old one.
The old.
That's the new one, the new oil seal. Ay, nga na ba dyan oil seal? Yeah, we also got the new plate number. We just put it on. It's nice. He just finished fixing the oil cell, so now he's gonna start fixing the clicking.
Hey, buddy.
Kaya para makita ni Mark na na-check ang mga oil.
Okay. Give me the... Tapos sa kataw.
Sama na nga sa isa man na itip.
Ay, tape na eh. Okay ra. Tape is no more. Tape. Oh. Oh.
Yan na?
Yeah. You additional another 1 liter only. No?
Ano?
Okay, no?
Kurot na?
Low side, low side. Six siguro na yung pagkuhan na ito, ma. How?
Yan lang. Kami nagkuha na ni Gurgot.
Oh. Ay, ano na lang, ma'am. Ano na lang sa...
So I'm gonna go ask the guards if they have oil for the transmission. It's called the ETF. Because we need to put more oil. The oil in the car for the transmission is almost empty. Mama nagto na hiwi man.
Matarong.
Ano pang gutungan?
Medyo gutom na gani. Yeah. The steering wheel before it was crooked. Thank you. It's finally fixed. We're gonna find out about the price. Alright, so they're asking for 550 for all the work. Right, so I'm gonna pay them now. See you guys later. It's lunchtime, we're hungry. Agleg Mercan, Philippines. Bye.